If you're making lots of elastic bracelets, you will probably find an elastic cord needle very handy. They allow you to thread on all of your beads onto the long needle shape, and then at the very end, if I get that to focus, there is a small flat hook. Hopefully I can get that to focus. And basically that allows you to hook your elastic onto the needle and slide all of your beads along it straight onto the elastic. So I thought I'd demonstrate this for you. So I'm using lots of polymer clay spacer beads for this bracelet. So you're just threading them directly onto the long needle to begin with. I've already prepared my pattern, so this bit should be quite quick. And I will also speed this up because otherwise you'll be watching me do this forever. So I have all of the beads threaded onto the needle now. So that's going to be about a 15-16 centimetre long bracelet. So they fit nicely on the needle. The loop at the end just stops them from dropping off. And now to attach them onto the elastic. So I am using Beadalon Elastic. It's nice and stretchy. And it also is a great one for hooking straight on here. So at the very end, that little flat hook here just traps the elastic into the hook. So very simple. And then this just allows you to slide your beads back over the hook and directly onto the elastic. Nice and simple. If any of the beads get stuck, if you just give them a little twist, I find they then just slide straight on. And there, they're all on the elastic. Very quick and easy. So now just unhook your needle and then you can tie your elastic. So I always do a reef knot, which is left over right and then right over left. That just creates a nice flat knot. Just want to make sure that's tight but not over tight, still nice and stretchy. And then if you always separate your beads and pull your knot so that you're tightening the knot without overstretching the bracelet, that's another great tip for ensuring a nicely secure knot. And then we can just simply snip off the ends, give that another stretch out. And there we have a super quick bracelet. I know I sped up the middle section of that, but in total, that actually only took me 6 minutes from threading on to tying the knot. So it really is a super fast way of creating stretchy bracelets.